Hello students, today's topic is excretion. As we have to cover three topics: nutrition, respiration and excretion for the first unit test syllabus. So we are discussing excretion first. What is excretion? Excretion is a process of removal of nitrogenous waste or nitrogen containing substances from the body. What is the need? Why nitrogenous waste should be excreted outside the body? Because accumulation of nitrogenous waste, it proves toxic to the living organisms. मतलब इनके इकट्ठे toxic means जहरीले कि accumulation of nitrogenous waste, it produces toxins for living organisms, so they should be removed outside the body. So how can we define excretion? Removal of nitrogen containing waste and excess of water from the body is called excretion. Now, the types of excretion. Depending upon the type of nitrogenous waste, nitrogen containing waste, excretion is of three types. That is a monotelism, ureotelism and uricotelism. If an organism excretes ammonia, then this type of excretion is called a monotelism. If the excretory waste is urea, then this type of excretion is ureotelism. If the excretory waste is uric acid, then this type of excretion is called uricotelism. Ammonia is excreted in aquatic organisms like fishes, and uric acid is excreted in reptiles and birds. Reptiles and birds, they do not produce liquid and solid waste separately. Instead, they produce a semi-solid waste which contains uric acid, and urea is excreted by terrestrial organisms, mainly mammals, including man. Now, human excretory system consists of what are the organs involved in human excretory system? Human excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, and these kidneys are located in lower abdomen. From kidneys arise a pair of tubules, tube-like structures, and these are called ureters. Ureters open into a sac-like muscular organ, and this sac-like muscular organ is called urinary bladder. And at the top of the kidneys is present adrenal glands. The blood supply to the kidney is called the blood vessel, or the artery which brings in oxygenated blood is called renal artery, and the blood vessel which takes away deoxygenated blood is called renal vein. So let us see. Human excretory system consists of a pair of kidney, then a pair of ureters. Ureters open into urinary bladder. Urinary bladder opens to exterior by means of an opening called urethra. Urethra is guarded by two sphincters or valves called urethral sphincters, and at the top of the kidney are present adrenal glands, and the blood supply to the excretory system, the blood vessel which brings in oxygenated blood, is called renal artery, and which takes away deoxygenated blood is called renal vein. So this is the constitution of human excretory system.